Hello, everyone. I'm Atan. In this video, we will be cutting an aquamarine gemstone. Our plan is to cut it into an oval shape. The shape of this gemstone is very suitable for that. Now, let's outline the shape with a line. We'll use the machine to round it. The shape has been roughly formed now. Next, we'll grind off a bit from the edges of the gemstone. We are preparing to polish the table facet. The table facet has been polished. And it looks very shiny. Now, we'll attach the gemstone with adhesive and prepare to work on the girdle. The shape is not quite uniform yet, so we'll refine it a bit more. Let's move on to polishing the crown. The first layer of the crown is done. Now, let's polish the second layer. The second layer has also been polished. Now, we'll polish the lower layer and create the star facets. The lower layer has been polished. Now, it's time to prepare for polishing. Let's switch to a polishing disc. We need to achieve a mirror-like effect with the polishing. First layer, which is also the largest facet, is being polished. The effect of polishing should be a reflective mirror surface. Second layer. Looking quite impressive as well. Let's polish the final layer now. Crown is now fully polished. Let's detach it. The crown has been polished perfectly. Now, we'll polish the girdle. We can see that the girdle has also been polished and looks shiny. Now, let's remove the adhesive. Flip the stone and attach it again. Next, we'll polish the pavilion. I won't record the entire process of polishing the pavilion as it can be a bit monotonous. This is the result of all the polishing. Now, let's move on to polishing. We'll polish layer by layer. The first and second layers have been polished and are now shiny. Now, let's polish the main facets. The main facets are being polished all at once. Now, the entire pavilion has been polished. We're ready to detach the gemstone and remove the adhesive. After detaching, there may be some excess adhesive on the table of the gemstone. Look, that's the excess adhesive. Now, we'll soak it in alcohol for a while. Alcohol can dissolve the gel. Well, that's it for this video. I'm Atan. If you enjoyed it, remember to follow and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.